Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I'm going to be looking at now some of the tech stocks going out right now. So this is, man, Amazon, Netflix going crazy right now. Massive, massive, massive move. What's next for these different companies? What's happening right now with these different companies? And so firstly, I want to start off with Amazon, right? Amazon, what happened with Amazon? Isn't it interesting that Amazon made this big gap through here? As you can see, right? This big gap. Actually, let me see if I can take that off the screen there. Let's go this one here. All right, so notice how Amazon had this gap through here. And look what happened. Came and closed it right there, right? But on the way down, guess what happened? Then it created this gap here, didn't it? See that gap there? And look what happened just recently. It closed the gap. Market does that, doesn't it? That's why if you look at the S&P 500, the Dow, and these other gaps that are happening right now, they're probably likely to be filled. So we could see a bit of a gap up, come back down, came down. We had a bit of a crash, didn't we? Had a bit of a crash. And then Amazon has completely taken off. Big, 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 big up day, as you can see right now on Amazon, and we came and closed that gap through there. We could see how it's just a really was Amazon is up 6% today. That's actually a pretty big move for Amazon to the upside. So, but looking at Amazon, we have ran straight to actually let's do this here. We have ran straight to this level of resistance right here. Ran straight to the level of resistance and paused there right now. We've been going up so much. Look at this. Look at this line through here, right? Talk about a massive V bottom. We have gone up so much. So I wouldn't be surprised to see if we actually did pause for a little bit at least and start to see a bit of a pullback through here soon. Now, when I say that, we may get a pullback here, or we may even pull back and get a slight higher high, and then maybe have a bit of a pullback. I don't think the bear market is going to start in Amazon, but I do see, you know what? We've had a lot of move. We've had a very, very, very big move to the upside on Amazon. Amazon and Netflix going crazy to the upside. But so therefore, guys, once again, I do see we're probably likely to see some form of a pullback soon. But right now, very, very, very strong up. Right now is definitely the wrong time to get into Amazon if you're looking to get into Amazon. Netflix is another one. Netflix had a very, very, very nice breakup bar. Look at this here. Nice sideways movement. And then we had a nice breakaway bar, right? Breakaway bar breaking above this level through here. Very nice strong up bar. Now, looking at Amazon, so next on Netflix is broken out through here. And we have what? We have broken above this with an increase in volume. So if I squeeze my chart up, you also can see how, see this major resistance back here right now? See where Netflix is right now? We're probably likely to shoot up towards, we're probably likely to get up to that 420 level on a short-term basis there. And as you can see, it's right there. So I wouldn't be too surprised over the next 1 or 2 days we actually get there. And once again, we're probably then likely to see a bit of a pullback happen, because if we look at see these lines, look how strong we've actually been here. So we probably need, if we do get a bit of a shoot up, once again, we're probably likely to see a bit of a pullback before we continue up. I'm very, very, very bullish long term. If I bring up my trend lines, let's go to this chart through here. Let's bring up the weekly chart, right? As you can see, right, I'm very, very, very bullish long term on Netflix, but long term, but on a short term basis, bit of a pop to the upside, and then I see this thing probably having a bit of a rest for a little while as well too. So, you know, looking at stocks like that, looking at say Microsoft as well too. Microsoft hasn't been doing much at all. We still do have a bit of a gap up here in Microsoft, which no doubt will be filled very, very, very shortly. We're still trending up nicely. So that's looking there. A stock that I'm actually personally in, which is Apple. We have this gap up here, which is likely to be filled very, very soon. And so we're seeing that through there as well too. So tech stocks and also Nasdaq as well too, guys. And we can see that's basically what's going on right now and what's happening in the actual market itself. So right now, guys, tech stocks, a lot of the tech stocks have been absolutely just going crazy right now. Let's have a look at Google here. Google. Right, Google is actually breaking out. Let's have a look at Google long term. Okay, so Google long term, this is the resistance level through here. Google long term actually broke below here and held. We've got a major level of resistance coming through here as well. So this breakout here could be some form of a false breakout. It could be. It's definitely hard to say. What I would want to see with Google is I'd like to see this thing start to really break back above 1280. If we can get it back above 1280, guys, then we still got a little gap up here to be filled in Google. But I want to see a nice break above 1280 first. If we can get that through there, then this level through here, see how it actually broke below and then broke back up. That's a pretty strong end of trend indicator. So it is telling us that we're probably likely to see some more movement to the upside. But once again, I want to see a break above 1280. But so apart from Google, we're starting to see a lot of these tech stocks really powering up. So the strongest ones out of all of them have been obviously Amazon and stuff like that. But bear in mind, guys, if Google does start to stop here and then roll over, man, that could spell a lot more downside to come. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Go to the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.